In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Bookmarks Sidebar not showing in Firefox. First, let's start by opening Firefox. You will want to double-click the Firefox icon on your desktop or select it from your taskbar. Once the browser is open, you should see the familiar layout with the address bar at the top and tabs below. This is the starting point for your browsing experience. Having access to the Bookmarks Sidebar is crucial as it allows you to quickly view and access your saved bookmarks. Now, let's proceed to the next step. Next, press the keys Ctrl and B simultaneously. This keyboard shortcut is one of the quickest ways to toggle the Bookmarks Sidebar on and off. As you do this, you will notice the Bookmarks Sidebar sliding into view on the left side of your screen. This sidebar displays all your bookmarks in an organized manner, making it easy to navigate your favorite sites. If you need to hide the sidebar again, simply press Ctrl and B once more. This little feature saves you time and keeps your workspace organized. Now, if for some reason the sidebar does not appear, we can enable it from the menu. First, look for the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner of the Firefox window. This is your menu button. Click on it to see a drop-down list of options. The menu is designed to provide easy access to various features and settings in Firefox, ensuring that you can customize your browsing experience to your liking. From the drop-down, click on Bookmarks. This section is where you can manage all your saved links. A secondary menu will appear, offering you further options related to bookmarks. Among these options, you will find Show Bookmarks Sidebar. Selecting this will activate the sidebar and bring it into view. This is important because it ensures that you can always access your bookmarks regardless of how you prefer to navigate. After you select Show Bookmarks Sidebar, take a moment to look at the left side of your screen. You should see your bookmarks neatly listed. This makes it easy to move between your favorite websites. If everything went well, you will see the sidebar populate with your saved links. Having easy access to these bookmarks enhances your browsing efficiency and makes it easier to revisit important pages. In conclusion, knowing how to enable your Bookmarks Sidebar in Firefox can significantly enhance your user experience. With just a couple of shortcuts or a few clicks in the menu, you can access your bookmarks quickly. This ensures that you will have your most important links readily available. Thank you for following along in this video. I hope you found it helpful. Remember, keeping your bookmarks organized is a small step that can save you a lot of time while browsing the internet. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment. Happy browsing!